How do we harmonize chords? Obviously, maraming paraan para mag-harmonize ng chords. Pero, gagamitin natin yung mga ah, personal experience ko and yung mga personal na ina-apply ko sa mga chord progression na ginagawa ko. Ayun. So, for example, we have the chord progression DG, DG. Ayun. So, if we play it normally, it goes like this. Ayan. So, harmonizing is giving it a bit of a flavor, kumbaga. Hindi mo lang siya tinutugtog ng as is, pero nagdadagdag ka ng ibang mga variations to it. So, in order to do that, i-classify muna natin yung major scale ng D major. So, yung scale niya is D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and D. Obviously, yun yung ano niya, yung do, re, mi niya. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Notes 1 to 8. And that's the second thing that we're gonna do. We need to classify each note as its corresponding number. So, 1 is D, 2 is E, and so on and so forth hanggang marating natin yung 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, what I normally do to harmonize the D major is I take the third, the fifth, and the seventh notes. It goes like this. F sharp is the third note, A is the fifth note, and C sharp is the seventh note. Kasi nga, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, we're gonna play this. F sharp. So, if we play D on my left hand and F sharp on my right hand, it sounds like this. Ayun. So, meron na tayong variation. Now, let's move on to the chord of G. This is how I normally play it. Now, if I make a variation of the chord G, I usually take the first, the third, and the fifth notes of the D major scale. So those being D, F sharp, and A. So basically, I'm playing the D chord over the G chord. So G chord sa left hand and then D sa right hand. Ayan. If we put them together, it sounds like this. So, meron na siyang flavor, kumbaga. Now, how do we play this on other major scales? Kunwari, C major. Same concept. You take the third, the fifth, and the seventh notes of the C major scale and play C. Obviously, E minor siya. So, we play C on the left hand and E minor on the right hand. And then, if we play the F, we play C kasi this is the first, the third, and the fifth note of the C major scale. And that is harmonization. Basically, you're adding 2 chords or 3 chords depending on the concept or the music theory, and we're putting them into one. So, balik tayo sa D major. Now, how do I usually play my E minor? When I play my E minor, I play E minor on the left hand and then G on the right hand. And then when I play F sharp, kasi nga family chord niya, F sharp, I play A on the right hand. And then sometimes when I play G on the left hand, I play B minor on the right hand. And then when I play B minor, I play D on the right hand. Ayan. And then lastly, sometimes when I play A on the left hand, I play G on the right hand. Tawag dito tinuro nila sa akin nung bata ako is the suspense effect. Kasi nga, kunwari, galing ka ng G and pupunta ka ng A and then o-over mo yung G. This is how it sounds like. Ayun, may pa-suspense effect siya papuntang chorus or papuntang opening ng song. And then if you put them together, it sounds like this. Ayan. So, basically, I played the same chords, pero mas nag-iba yung tunog niya. Mas naging spicy siya, pakinggan, because of the variations on the right hand. This is how you harmonize a chord.